Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to set any song as alarm sound on iPhone. So for this method you'll need these two apps, which are Ringtone Maker and GarageBand, which both of them are free and you can find them on the App Store. And then what you'd have to do is simply download any songs. I'm gonna use this TikTok video, so I'm gonna download it and then simply open Ringtone Maker. Now simply tap on the plus button and then tap on import from video, then tap on allow full access, and then I'm gonna choose this one here, and then simply tap on make, and then here you'll have to swipe right and tap on more, and then here you'll have to select GarageBand, and then tap on my songs, and then here simply tap and hold, and then here you'll have to simply tap on share, and then simply select the ringtone, and then tap on continue, and then here you'll have to enter the ringtone name, and then simply tap on export. Now if we open the clock app and try to set up an alarm and then tap on sound, as you can see we'll have the ringtone right here.